After 15 months, I finally figured out this sound. It's the Belgian jump up laser bass sound. You might have heard it in these tracks. I tried everything. Pitch modulation. No. Filter modulation. No. Delay. No. The secret is bend. Bending is a wave shaping algorithm that pinches a waveform together. Watch as I increase the bend. I'm using Vital, a free VST synth, but you can do the same thing with Serum or Massive X. If you want to download today's preset, check the link below. Start with your favorite wavetable. I'm using silly little funny little scridge. The secret is to find a wavetable that sounds thick and has a full range of frequencies. If you're having trouble finding a wavetable, here's a list of others that you can try. Adjust the wavetable until you have the thickest sound. Under the second wave shaping dropdown, select Bend. Adjust the bend knob until you get a crazy laser sound. You can try other values as well. Now create a downsloping envelope with LFO 1. Make sure your LFO is set to envelope mode so it triggers only once. You can try different rates for your LFO, but I'm using quarter notes. Now as you get shortened the shape, so you got a quicker attack. Now pull the crosshair for LFO 1 into the bend knob. Adjust the LFO modulation amount until you get the desired result. You're looking to create an attack with that laser sound. You might need an inverse or negative value like mine. Also, you may need to adjust the bend start position and the amount until you get the desired result. You can adjust the LFO to taste. Shark fin shapes work well too. Enable oscillator 2 and select the sine wave for the sub bass. This squared sine wave has a more audible sound. Make sure to send oscillator 2 to direct out, so if you add any effects, it won't affect the sub bass. So there's the basics of the Belgian jump out laser bass sound. Here's some additional steps to take your bass to the next level. Bring oscillator 1's volume down to nothing. Use a shape like this for LFO 2. The idea is you have an attack that goes up, and then assign LFO 2 to the volume of oscillator 1. This gives it a smoother attack. Adjust the shape to your liking. You can also map the second LFO to a low pass filter for a more finesse sound. If your sub bass is clicking, adjust the attack to about 10 to 15 milliseconds. Much cleaner. Beef up the sound with multiband compression. Add more grit with distortion. Fine-tune the frequencies with an EQ. Remember, once you have it all set up, you can always go back and tweak the parameters to taste. Let's try manipulating the wave shape. A variety of laser bass sounds just by adjusting the wavetable shape. Let's try adjusting the bend. Again, tons of options. Let's play with the LFO envelopes. Smooth and grimy. Here's our pattern for our bass sound. You can automate the wavetable frame for movement. To expand on the device in Ableton, click Configure, click on the wave frame knob, and then it should show up on the panel here. Right click on the parameter, click on Show Automation, and then you can draw a line. And that's it. You have the Belgian jump up laser bass sound. Here's a frog bass sound. It's coming out on my Massive X preset pack. You can learn more down in the links below. If you want to learn the frog bass sound, like this video. I'll release the video once we hit 1,000 likes. Let's check the frog bass sound with the laser sound. If you want to support, I have a number of sample packs, preset packs, and Ableton kits to help you jumpstart your creativity. You can learn more down in the links below. Alright, until the next sound, stay healthy, stay creative, and peace out.